Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Lightroom and importing the highest quality file you have, RAW if possible. Once done, tap the image to enter Edit. Make sure to enable profiles and lens corrections immediately. This preserves detail and fixes distortion before you touch sliders. You want a clean starting point so subsequent adjustments behave predictably. Next, switch camera profile to Adobe Color or camera matching. This gives a neutral base. Now you're ready to move into targeted adjustments with intention. You tackle the core edits starting with the light panel. Set exposure, then pull contrast and use highlights and shadows to reopen details. Whites and blacks set the dynamic range. Once the tone is balanced, move to color and the mix tool. Shift hue, saturation, and luminance to isolate problem tones like skin or sky. Use selective tools for local fixes. Brush to dodge and burn, radial to emphasize, and healing to remove distractions. Make measured changes. Small moves add up. You finish by adding subtle sharpening and noise reduction in detail, and soft grain or vignette in effects for mood. Then tap Share to export. Pick file type, resolution, and quality. Use full resolution for prints, medium for web. Save a copy to device and enable cloud sync for backup. If colors shift or edits seem extreme, reset the affected panel or reselect the camera profile. That one troubleshooting step often restores correct baseline without losing local.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.